In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then to add a photo, use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. Click on all of your photos that you wish to add. And if you can't find them here, select Gallery section at the top left corner instead. Then look for your photos here and select them. When you're ready, hit Done at the bottom of this little area. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!